dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. Welcome back to your #1 channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa where they sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And just like we normally do, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with legit information we go like share, give the general public. And the cocoa now be say the Edo State chapter of the People's Democratic Party don dey call on the state government so make dem obey the rulings of the court kwano wey dey reinstate the elected local government chairman of Edo State. Person dey yarn this one so na the Edo State chairman of the People's Democratic Party, their caretaker committee, and dey go by the name Dr. Anthony Azegbemi. In the yarn all this level so for one press conference wey happen for inside Benin City, Edo State on Wednesday, wey be the 21st day of May for this year, so wey be 2025. And concerning the court ruling reinstating the elected local government chairman for inside Edo State, Dr. Tony Azegbemi now dey yarn say their removal sef in the first place bin don affect governance at grassroots levels. He say their removal sef don spoil plenty for inside Edo State local government levels, and he consider yarn say now High Court don dey deliver judgment in favour of the lawfully elected council chairmen who were illegally removed from office. And then the PDP chieftain wey be Dr. Anthony Azegbemi, he come dey talk about the case of Akoko Edo chairman wey be Mr. Tajudeen Alade, man who was reinstated by the court, but even after the reinstatement, the man no fit return to his office based on 1 or 2. Now according to Dr. Tony Azegbemi, the court don drop ruling say the removal of the chairman dey violate section 19 of the Edo State local government law, and his removal dey lack adherence to due process. He now constantly proceed further dey yarn dey give men say the court also drop ruling say Oga Alade Tajudeen was not granted fair hearing, so therefore they nullify his removal and they order his immediate reinstatement to office. And still just last week for here, Justice O.M. Obayuwana still deliver another judgment reinstating Etsako West chairman wey be Zibiri Marvelous and vice chairman Benji Ojietu. And the court constant sama declaration say the impeachment proceedings against these men now is rendered null and void. And the court constant talk about non-compliance with section 19 of the Edo Local Government Law 2000 as amended. And now the PDP chieftain, the chairman of the People's Democratic Party caretaker committee for inside Edo State to be Dr. Tony Azegbemi, he now dey yarn say them now they recommend, them now they give accolade to the judiciary for upholding constitutional principles. And time now don reach for the Edo State government to stop to dey violate the law and make them begin dey respect the decisions of the court. He now come dey urge the government to allow the reinstated chairmen by the court to return to their offices and make them for resume their duties for which they were elected by the people. And he say just as court now don vindicate Akoko Edo and Etsako West, all other unjust removal of elected officials then would be reversed by the court in due course. No be small matter like this, so my good people. Now I say to go court na one thing, to follow court ruling na another thing. Men now they see reasons to believe say many leaders for inside we nation Nigeria today, they no dey like follow court rulings wey no favour them at all at all. If the court ruling favour them, they go lis ten that one. But if the court ruling dey against them, they go dust their ear like say they no hear nothing. And now Dr. Anthony Azegbemi dey draw ear dey sama warning say e go dey in the best interest of the state government to allow council officials to function in line with Nigeria's constitutional provisions. If now they allegedly dey plaster the rising insecurity and poverty for inside Edo State to the collapse of the government at the local government levels. You know the yarns now say government levels now no can dey function again, and the local government level self now the closest to the people. That now why insecurity, that now why poverty come plaster for inside Edo State. And according to how the talk come aside from him mouth, he said this vital tier of government have been stifled. That is meant they choke the progress of the local government levels them, and they deprive citizens of essential services and leadership at the grassroots. and im come dey call for the immediate restoration of all elected chairmen to restore effective governance and deliver development at the community level across Edo State. And this step is very much important. This step is very much crucial for securing lives, plus promoting growth and ensuring prosperity for every citizen of Edo. Dis, my good people, na the statement of the PDP chieftain wey be Dr. Anthony Azegbemi. Meanwhile, about Mrs. Maria Oligbe Edoko, the PDP chieftain wey recently resigned from her position as the deputy speaker of the Edo House of Assembly, Dr. Anthony Azegbemi wey be the chairman of the People's Democratic Party caretaker committee for inside Edo State, come dey give accolade to the woman. He na come dey praise the woman sake of her integrity, and he na dey yarn say the woman stood tall in a political landscape where such values were becoming increasingly rare. He said the People's Democratic Party plus her constituents dem and all the Edo State people, they are very much proud of her courage, and she will be remembered for choosing principle over personal gain. May no go forget her choice at all. May no go forget who she be, sake of say she do the right thing, she follow the right path, and she no let nobody sway her, she no let nobody intimidate her, she no let nobody pressure her to do wetin her spirit, wetin her mind, soul and body no tell am to do. And then Dr. Tony Azegbemi come dey yarn, dey give men say the People's Democratic Party dey remain strong, dey remain united, dey remain determined and committed to dey use legal avenues to reclaim their stolen mandate from the September 2024 governorship election. It na dey yarn say they never lose hope at all. They no go put hand for jaguda business. They no go do things and things wey no nice. They no go interfere with unclean things dem. They go continue to dey follow legal processes. They go continue to dey follow legal ways and means to take make sure say they get wetin rightfully belong to them. And if we ask the Edo State chapter of the People's Democratic Party and many men for inside Edo State, dem go tell you say na the PDP their candidate wey be CyenY0UT Ighodalo na true win the governorship election and his mandate was stolen. This, my good people, na the informate. This na the report wey I wan share give the general public. Now, anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Reality Latest Gist. Now we dey like give on our latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside our green country, so we be Nigeria. And now if you be like say you like this update, if you be say this report nice for your ear and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news, they come your side, now you go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp. Now me they go get more news, me they go get more reports, me they go get more information for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.